Hi everybody, my name's Charlie, and I'm taking this video to show you the steps to assemble this kid's pit bike. Now this kid's pit bike is already 85% pre-assembled, and the rest of the assembling is easy. Everyone can finish it. So let's remove all of the contents out of the shipping box first. Hey, look at this stand. I'm pausing here to let you see it. You don't need the same one. If you have a wood block, a small stool, or even a chair to support the bike off the floor, it helps a lot with the assembling process. Don't forget to read the user's manual and manufacturer's warranty statement also. Here's the toolkit and accessory box. So find this toolkit bag and remove all of the tools and lay the tools in order so that you have them ready to assemble the bike. Alright, first let's connect the shock to the bike's body frame. This is the male bolt. Unscrew the male bolt with the hexagon wrench provided. Then take the female bolt out. Line up the shock head with the brace holes. Uh-oh, your hand is blocking the view. There you go. Insert the female bolt through the holes lined up through both the brace and shock head. Okay. It does take a little patience to insert the female bolt into the holes. Then use the hexagon wrench to tighten the male bolt into the female bolt, and make sure the two pieces of the bolts are tightened. Now we're moving on to the front to install the handlebars. There are two half braces for attaching the handlebars and the gas cap. It's packed in with those handlebar braces. Maybe it's a good idea to put the gas cap on now so we don't get any debris in there. Use the large hexagon wrench to install the handlebar braces. Now pay attention to the marks on the handlebar where the braces are supposed to catch. Tighten the 4 bolts with the hexagon wrench. Beautiful. See, I told you this wasn't that hard. Now use the small hexagon wrench to take the anchor bolt and space washers off. Also, remove the 3 fender bolts. Install the front fender first. Tighten all 3 fender bolts, and then let's install the front panel. Remember to put the spacer washers onto the bolt and tighten the bolt onto the front frame. Make sure the fender and panel are lined up straight. Next, the front wheel. Remove the shaft first. Uh-oh, see the 2 space washers? Do not lose them. Notice the direction of the wheel. Make sure the brake disc is on the right side. See this first space washer? Yep, it goes on the wheel shaft between the fork leg and wheel. When you're inserting the shaft through, the shaft may poke the front wheel bearing out of position. Make sure the bearing stays in place. The second spacer washer will go in the same position on the opposite side of the wheel. Insert the front wheel shaft all the way through the second fork leg and put the wheel shaft nut on. Use the 2 same-sized wrenches to tighten the front wheel nut on each side simultaneously. The tension on both sides should be the same, but don't over-tighten. Alright, we're almost there. Next step is to assemble the front wheel brake caliper. Remove the lower bolt from the caliper component. Make sure the lower bolt goes through all the holes you lined up with the caliper fixture on the fork leg. Then tighten the lower bolt and the upper bolt with the small hexagon wrench. Now let's test the front brake and wheel. Make sure the front wheel turns freely and that the brake functions. Yep, it works. Finally, apply the decals on the plastics. And assembly is done. You will need the fuel mixing bottle. Using this bottle makes mixing fuel correctly much easier. Add the mixed fuel into the gas tank, crank the engine, and let your kids enjoy. Our contact information is in this video if you need support. Have fun!